Hello there, once again, my dear co-formators. We're back in the continuation of this video tutorial series for making a quiz or making examinations. To just have a recap, we already have demonstrated setting up the quiz, making quiz either MCQ, true, false, short answer by direct from quiz Moodle system. And we already did the lesser effort, making quiz of MCQ using the question bank, the categories, importation, formats, specifically ICANN format for MCQ. And if you haven't watched it yet, I advise you to look for it and watch it. It will be a great help for us teachers. So this video is for the true-false type of quiz with another format, which is the gift format. Okay, so for example, you have lots of items for a true-false question quiz. Instead of typing it individually in the Moodle system quiz part, we can import it as one. Maybe 100 question true or false quiz. You can do that by following these guidelines. So basically, we have the same guideline. You should encode it first in your MS-DOC format. Then again, save it as a TXT format, just like what I have done in my previous videos. Just click save as, then have a location for it. Then since it's a true or false, click this one. Or if I say this is already a TXT format, previously it's a doc, then just look for the plain text format, click it, then save it. Okay. Then once you have already your TXT format for your true false, there's additional guideline. Okay, so your true false question should look like this in your TXT file. Okay, so the statement or the question followed by this answer written in this way. So again, the statement or the question, then space, then open curly bracket, then the answer is either true or false, then close curly bracket. Again, question, space, open curly bracket. The correct answer is either true or false, close curly bracket. If you have several true-false questions that you want to import, be sure to make or to put spaces in between the questions, so as not to like confuse the system. If you didn't put any space or spaces in between or among the lines, the system will read it as a single question that needs a single answer. So again, space is also important. Then save it as a TXT file. So we already have this true-false question in a TXT file. Let's proceed to our LMS. Open the LMS. Then same steps, same guidelines. Go to the course management GR. Click on this panel will appear. Instead of going to the question bank, which I have already introduced to you, let's go directly to the question category. let's make a category for it. Okay, then scroll down, let's add a category. So let's say finals, true, false, will be the category name for our true false questions. Then click add category. Okay, just to show you the creation of your category. There it is. Okay, finals, true false or TF quiz 2 with 0 number, meaning there are no questions yet under this category. So to add the questions, let's click directly on the import tab. Then instead of icon, which we chose before in our multiple choice questions, that we are going to use the gift format. Again, click GIF format under file format. Okay. Then you have to click the general section. Do not forget to change the category where we are going to import the questions. So here we have your finals TF quiz 2. Click it. Then let's import the questions. Choose a file. Then from the file picker, click upload the file, click choose file. Then look for the location where you have saved your txt file. So we have our here, the true false.txt file. Click it, click open, and click upload. Then click import to import it in our question bank. Again, it is successful. There are no notifications that errors are made. Okay, you just have to follow the guidelines and the formats and click continue. So we are back to the question bank. So this is the category finals TF quiz 2 with 3 questions. Yes, but before we can use it, again, we are going to go back to our course page. Click it here. Then once you're back in your course page, click the turn editing on. Then again, click or choose first where are you going to place the questions. Okay. So for example, I'll make another quiz, click add an activity or resource. Scroll down, look for the quiz, click the quiz, click add button. Then you should have a name or a label for your quiz. For example, finals, true, false, quiz 3. Or false finals quiz 3. Whichever you want to label your quiz. And you're already familiar with this. If you're not, I encourage you to watch the previous videos, which presents setting up quizzes. Then just click save and display. Then we're in this familiar page. This is not our quiz yet. We need to put up the quiz first. So click edit quiz. Then add. Click add. Then click from question bank. Then look for the category. So here it is. Finals TF quiz 3. Click it. Then the questions will appear. If you want to select everything, all of the questions, sorry, click the top tick box. Then click add selected questions to the quiz. Okay, then the quiz will be right here. If you want to see, if you're not yet familiar, how the interface would be look like in a true-false questions, a true-false question quiz, just click the magnifying glass icon. Then your student will be seeing this area. Okay, so let me close this one. Then don't forget to place the maximum grade or score. You can shuffle the questions if you want, since it's all question, true false question. Then save. Again, if you want to preview the quiz before opening it to your students, click the name of the quiz. Then if you click preview quiz now, this is how it looks. You want to try answering a quiz on the capital of Philippines. Click through, next page. Okay, through, next page. The former capital of Philippines is Makati, false. And if this is the last item, click finish attempt. Is how will your students, this is how your students will answer your online true false question quiz. Then submit all and finish. And depending on the closing and the feedback time that you have placed, the student will immediately see it, or again, depending on the quiz schedule. There you have it. You have your true false questions using the gift format. Using the gift format, and do not forget this format also. Thank you for watching.